Hello everyone. Now I will show you the installation process of Aloron Inventory Management System and Aloron POS, which is built by world most popular PHP framework Laravel. Here we use Laravel 8. This application you can use online or offline. Now I will show you the installation process in offline. If you want to use this application in offline mode, you have to install some application like XAMPP, Vim, MEM, Composer and create a virtual host. For this, first we have to install XAMPP. I will show you the XAMPP software installation and configure and create virtual host. For this, go to browser, Chrome browser or any kinds of browser. Here I open Chrome browser and search XAMPP and look XAMPP installer and downloads for Apache friends. Here you look downloads and click downloads. Here you find Windows or Linux or Mac. My PC is Windows. Now for this I download Windows and 64-bit rate. Our application need PHP 7.2 plus version. For this I download 7.3 or 7.4 or 8. I will download 7.4.23. For click download 64 and look download is starting about 7 minutes 6 and download is complete. For find downloading file, go to downloads. Here you can see XAMPP Windows 7.4.23 version. Here you have to double click and get this types of warning. You have to click OK and have to click next, next, and here you can select your custom driver and folder. I install this C drive or you can any drive of select. Go to next, next, next. Here I do not see installation full application because this application I already installed in my PC. So I cancel this and next you have to install Composer. Composer installation. For this you open Chrome browser and write Composer and find this Composer, click and download and Composer setup.exe file here download and see download is complete and click on it and install for all users recommended. Here have to click and click next, and this is very important things. This path you have to select where you install your same application. If This is automatically get php.exe. If not get, please browse, click on browse and select the driver where you install XAMPP application. I install XAMPP application in iDrive XAMPP and find here Apache, sorry, PHP and php.exe and open. Then next. Here you can find this installation is complete. And finish. Now we have to go to search and write XAMPP. Here you can look XAMPP control panel and click here, okay, click and stop. Basically you see this start button. You have to start to service Apache and MySQL and close. Now you go to local host slash php myadmin and hit enter. Here you see the php myadmin dashboard. Here you have to create a database. Create database name test post and create. You have to remember that XAMPP application install or any kinds of application like XAMPP webmail. Here is username is root and password is blank. So now we have to go to create virtual host. In XAMPP application, to create virtual host, you have to search in Google how to create virtual host in XAMPP for Windows 10. Here you look configure virtual host with XAMPP running on Windows 10. Click on it and find here, look this Apache Conf Extra and vhost like academic XAMPP as Apache and which conf extra and vhost and edit this with notepad++. Then create this type, then copy this and paste this here, paste, and document root and directory have to correcting. At first we have to go to our application folder like Aloron pause and pause zip folder, copy and go to XAMPP folder, academic XAMPP stdocs and paste here. and have to create a folder like folder and create a name like pause and move this pause on pause folder, and here is extract. Look, our file extract is complete. Now again go to our virtual host file. Here you can see directory. Here is directory is I, where you install your XAMPP application. I state docs and folder name. Folder name is pause and public, because every application have inside have a public folder. Like here you see public is public. This is the starting point of application. Public. This root is also directory same, and server name. Here you create a server name which you want, like test dot pause. Okay, and save it. Now go to Windows System 32 driver etc host. C drive Windows System 32 driver etc host, and open with edit with notepad++, and here you create this below 127.0.0.1 and domain name test.post and have to save. When you save this, the file cannot be saved and it may be protected. Do you want to launch Notepad++ in administration mode? This file, host file, if you want to save this, you have to open this in this Notepad++ in administrator mode, and here they want to permission to open this administrator mode. If I want to permission this, please click yes, and now open it again in administrator mode, and now Control S to save. Okay, Control S, save complete. Now we have to go browser, and here test.pause and hit enter. Oh, here after configuring this, you have to on or off this XAMPP control panel. XAMPP control panel, stop and stop. Again Apache start and MySQL start. Now check test.pause because this is our newly created domain. Here, did you mean to go to http test.pause? Look, click here and get. Here look, get our application is running. And now we have to go to our application folder, like where is this is on desktop, and here you look purchase code and copy this code, and here you paste this and click verify, and then click check requirements, and here also you can see all is green, and check permission and configure environment and click from wizard setup, and here you input a application name. I input Aloron post and setup database. Here database name which we created like this, test post. Here test post, and username is root, and database user password is blank. You remember, when I install the same application, we create a root user which password is null. So now set up application on click and click on install, and you wait some times to installation complete. I will pause this video for some times. Now you see that the installation is finished, and click here to exit, and you can find login panel, and here you have to enter email, like your admin email is admin@gmail.com and password is 123456, and click on login. And here look, your application is running and fresh application. Here is no any data and any others. So our application installation is complete. So thanks for watching.